Today I'm showing the Corsair RM850e, an 850-watt fully modular ATX power supply, unboxing and installing it in the NZXT H5 Flow RGB PC case. This Corsair PSU is designed for modern gaming and creator PCs. It features 80+ gold efficiency, quiet operation with a 0 RPM fan mode, and high-quality 105 degrees Celsius capacitors for reliable long-term performance. The PSU supports the latest ATX 3.1 and PCIe 5.0 standards, making it ready for new high-power GPUs. Its compact design and modular cables make installation clean and easy, a perfect choice for anyone building a stable and efficient PC setup. But for now, let's get into the unboxing and installation.